this F1 Master promotion really worth it? $60 with 2 packs entrance ticket and 1 soft toy. Please have more this kind of promotions, else it is too expensive to visit zoo. I will cry like a baby. Happy that I found this F. Master promotion. It comes with a soft toy. $60 with 2 packs entrance ticket and 1 toy. Such a great deal. TQ Klook. The park is really big with lots of birds flying freely around. If you love birdwatching, it's a great place to visit. The price is only 60 Singapore dollars for 2, originally 49 Singapore dollars each, plus a cute Mandai Mr Merlion plushie, worth 49 Singapore dollars. #park, #birds, #birdwatching, #promotion, #Merlion, #plushie. Nice promotion. Happy that I got it. With a soft toy, really a surprise. All of us got each. Happy ending. More promotion like it please. TQ. My aunties and uncle love the experience and the Merlion plush. Price, good price for 2 tickets. Ease of booking on Klook. Facilities, great facilities.